Hi, it's John Mayfield, the real estate tech guy for Global Real Estate School. And hey, I am in Bulgaria, believe it or not. That's right. I'm in Bulgaria at a real estate conference. Just finished being on a panel where we talked about new technology tools and some other cool things that are going on in the field of real estate. And as part of my liaison duties for the National Association of Realtors, I reminded everyone about our upcoming conference in San Francisco next month. And if you never attended a Realtors National Conference, you have to do so. And I was really excited. A lot of the folks here were excited to try to attend, if not San Francisco, at least in the near future. But I wanted to talk to you about a quick real estate exam question. And my question to you is, how does earnest money show on the closing statement? That's right. How does earnest money show, or what's the journal entry on the closing statement for earnest money? Well, remember, it is a credit to the buyer, okay? You don't make any adjustment on the seller side. It's just a credit to the buyer. So if you're purchasing a home, and let's say it's $100,000, and you put $1,000 escrow money or earnest money down, it would be a credit to the buyer, you, for $1,000. That could be a test question. I'd keep that in mind. And here's something else exam writers love to ask. Could a buyer put down a diamond ring for earnest money, or a boat, or a cow, or a promissory note? And the answer is, if the seller agrees to it, yes, you can use other forms of collateral as earnest money, but the key is the seller has to approve of that. So don't forget, earnest money can be in really any form, even a promise to pay, as long as the seller approves it. And no earnest money would be okay, again, provided the seller approves that on the sales contract. And earnest money is always shown as a credit to the buyer only. Sometimes people want to go on and do some kind of adjustment for the seller, but it's just a credit to the buyer only. Well, I'm in Bulgaria, and I thought, you know what? I still got to do a YouTube video for Global Real Estate School. Check us out, globalrealestateschool.com. If you need practice exams, we have them there regardless of what state you're in. Got some great flashcards. That's the key, I think, to passing the real estate exam. Again, those are at Global Real Estate School. Please be sure and like our YouTube channel. We'd appreciate some kind reviews, 5 stars. You can download our podcast on iTunes and follow us on Instagram, Facebook. And hey, I'm over on LinkedIn as well, John Mayfield. Thanks for watching the video. Go out and make it a great day.